So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this Quikstrike Fly Bait from the company Starbar, the good old Starbar company. So what a fly bait is, it's actually a very quick kill ingredient. So the actual active ingredient is dinoenophyrin, I think's what that is. And it's got other ingredients, trichosamine. And this is used for control of houseflies in industrial, commercial, and agriculture setting. Ready to use scatter bait. And what it is, it's basically a type of crystal looking thing right here, and you just grab it like this with gloves on, and you're gonna scatter it amongst everywhere. I put it around the flower beds and around garbage cans and things like that. And that's how you do a scatter method, but you can also use these bait stations. They also have bait stations available. And then this right here will cover 250 square feet area, up to 2 ounces of bait per station if you want to use it. This is a 1 pound container, and I have been very impressed with this. And combining the fly traps with this Quikstrike fly bait, I think is the best method for knocking down your fly population. Just sprinkle this down where you're seeing a lot of flies, and this will really knock them out. In every kind of warm season, I go ahead and I get some of this stuff and put it out, and it's been working extremely well for me. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Quikstrike Fly Bait. See you on the next video.